Hi, how are you?
We're fine. How are you?
I'm excellent. I'm so excited because we're here at Publix Aprons Cooking School and we are going to be presenting a healthy, wealthy, wise. And you ladies are presenting the healthy segment. What is your name?
Natalia Ocasio.
Natalia. What is your name?
My name is Giselle Cruz.
Hi, how are you? So it's going to be a healthy segment. A little bit more about that, please.
Well, we're going to be showing you different recipes and we're going to be teaching you. She's going to be cooking live here so you can learn and eat healthy food.
Healthy food. And then you are a professional chef, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to make it taste really good and healthy?
Yes.
Okay.
Amazing food.
And you are a nurse?
I am a nurse and like together we are netoTOTAL.
You are netoTOTAL together, presenting in healthy, wealthy ways. All right, we'll see you there.
Bye.
Bye.